Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to Binance Live Chat step by step. Start by opening the Binance app or website and signing in securely. Next, navigate to Support or Help Center and find Live Chat. Prepare your account email, transaction ID, and any screenshots to speed resolution. Stay calm and concise, describe the issue clearly, and follow agent prompts for verification and next steps to resolve your issue quickly. Begin by tapping the live chat icon or selecting live chat from support to start your session. Choose the correct issue category so your question goes to the right team immediately. When queued, avoid sending repeated messages, which can delay response time. Once connected, greet the agent, state your issue clearly, and mention any relevant ID or screenshots. Follow the agent's verification steps to keep the conversation moving toward a resolution. During the chat, give concise details like transaction ID, amounts, and timestamps to help the agent diagnose the issue quickly. Complete any verification steps the agent requests, but never share your full password or 2FA codes. Ask for case number or chat transcript if the issue needs escalation or further follow-up. Keep polite and focused replies to reduce back and forth and accelerate a helpful resolution from the support team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.